on the road again. We're going out. Got to go get something from Walmart, and then I guess going to go through Sonic on Harper Road and go get some milkshakes. The hell, what the hell? I'm tired of being cooped up in the house. Let's do a video. And hopefully that we can make it home safe. Yeah, boy. That was a little slick. Thankfully, that was at the bottom of the hill. Maybe I don't need. Let's see, I just clicked it out of 4-wheel drive. Hopefully I won't need it. I will pick y'all up again when I get to Walmart. Okay, let's try this again. I'm on my way to Sonic to get a milkshake. This is what I'm dealing with. It is cold as piss outside, and my aunt wants a milkshake, so I'm going to get her a milkshake. She can't get out. I can because I'm young. She's older or elderly, whatever you want to call it. And I'll do anything I can to help her out. And now I'm on my way to go get a milkshake from Sonic. Okay. I don't think I need 4-wheel drive to come up this. But who knows? I will see you at Sonic. Okay, I'm here at Sonic. As you can tell, I'm at Sonic. Not trying to look at their license plate number or nothing. But this jackass in front of me, I guess they're stoned, they're high, they're something. Because they ordered, I guess, everything on the fucking menu here at Sonic. I mean, seriously. It's just fucking ridiculous. No, don't want you to see that. It pisses me off. It just pisses me off. When you got two morons in a car in front of you, and you can see that it's only two people, and yet they order for 50 people. That's what it seems like. It seems like they ordered for 50 fucking people. Maybe they'll go now. Maybe, probably not. I'm probably going to sit here. There we go. Sorry for a little rant there. It just pisses me off. It really does. Thank you. Leave you safe, Derek. That's insane. Hold on. Yeah, I know. It's fucking crazy. Well, I'll see you back at the house. Look at that beautiful sky. Look, I mean, that's just gorgeous. This camera doesn't do it justice. Honestly, it don't. Alright, we're going to do a little bit of a mukbang right now from Sonic. I got a chili cheese coney.
Oh, yeah.
I love chili cheese coney dogs from Sonic. Maybe. You can see, like, ooh, don't that look good? Man, that is so good. Okay. There's your mukbang for today. Sonic, good job. Yeah. I'm on my way back to Walmart. Like I said before, it seems like here lately I live at that stupid store. Have I said how much I despise Walmart? Honestly. Alright, well, when you need stuff, you need stuff. Let's see. Okay, maybe. 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 Oh yeah, I do. So happy. Got my Red Bull. Coconut edition. I like Red Bull, but alright, I gotta hold on to this. Hold on to my tripod so I don't friggin' and so it don't go sliding off some damn where. I really need to upgrade and get me a GoPro. Something that's got suction cup. I'll see you at the end of the road. As you can tell, I made it to Wall of Fart, or Walmart as I call it. I hate this store. I do. I really hate Walmart. But I need to get some stuff from here, so I'll see you on the inside. Yeah, I got a little bit of a Pokemon opening for you all today. I bought these yesterday at the dollar store, but I don't know what packs are in them. I got this one too. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna crack this one right here in the car. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got two. We got two team up car packs. Two team up packs. And let's see. Let's open this one first. Let's open this one first. Maybe. I don't know. My fingers are kind of froze. Really? They really don't want you to. You're not getting into these. No. There we go. I got it. Don't know the pack trick or whatever you want to call it that everybody's doing these days. I don't know. So we got a Niederan. We got a Morgan. Looks like our reverse hollow. It's a pretty cool card. And we have a water energy. No code cards. No code cards. Okay, now we're going into the Celebi pack. And hopefully we got something good on here. Maybe a hollow rare and not a reverse hollow. Come on now. Lefty. That's a weird name. We got. Ow! We got a Klefki. That's a weird name. We got. We don't even got a reverse hollow in this pack. We got a Pidgey. And a Spiritomb. We got them Halloween vibes here in January. Okay. Alright. Is there a... No. Kind of weird. Alright, now let's open up this one. Let's open up this pack. Yeah, it's kind of crazy how much you spend on these. I mean, they weren't too terrible, I guess. There's only 3 1/4 per... We got Sun and Moon base, which is just a little dollar store pack. Not very many cards in it. Then we got another team up. It's a Gengar and Mimikyu team up this time. Let's see. This interesting. Come on, buddy boy. Oh, God, it wasn't too terrible. That was pretty easy. Watch the next one be like ridiculously hard. Alright, we got a Furo. We got a Makahita. I cannot pronounce it to save my life. Sorry. And the Fairy Energy. No code cards. This is all we get. No code cards. Okay. Last pack. Hopefully we get something good. Hopefully we get something good. Probably not, but who knows. We got a Fero Seed, a Meowth, and a Morgan. Not even a reverse hollow. I mean, it's ridiculous. Let me get the bottom of that card, I guess. I just dropped that card right down between the seats. And again, no code card. In the dollar store packs, you don't get code cards. I guess that is a hollow rare. Okay. There's that. I mean, I guess it's a promo, but it's a hollow rare. That's what it is. There's a little star in the corner. And you get this coin. I like that coin. I like that coin. I got a bunch of coins, actually. I got a bunch of coins. And we got another Machop. Yeah. Machamp. Sorry, Machamp. Got another one. Okay. The coin's the same. I mean, just the coin's the same. Okay. Alright. I'll see you at the house. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Then hit the bell icon right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. It's free, so why don't you do it? Come on, click that subscribe button, people. Smash that like button. Let YouTube know that you're actually watching my videos, that you like what you see. I love each and every one of y'all. God has an amazing plan for you. I'm sure He does. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.